pizza very, very good is because I got it from Great Wolf Lodge. If you want to taste, I'm about to taste one. It's very, very good and very, very cheesable. If you want these pepperonis, I'll just take one piece apart and then try a nut. It tastes a little crusty, but it's not spicy. So if you want to try this spice, about to try it. It tastes really, really spicy and really, really exploding. So, like, follow, and just bye.
Order food at the Great Wolf Lodge. They have these mobile kiosks that are all touchscreen. The Great Wolf Lodge is cashless, so keep that in mind when you come to this place, that you have to use the screens to order food. It is very intuitive, very easy to use. And as you can see, I'm showing you how to use this screen to order pizza at the Homely Wolf at Great Wolf Lodge. Keep watching for more.
And if you want to try the pizza, we can try it. Not that, you know, why are you doing the same? And we just want to try the pizza, let's go ahead and try it. When there's vegetable, but it's not the name. Listen, right,
Please not.
This is my birthday, so Mommy and Dad just sang happy birthday. Like you can see that 6, I guess. And then this is my cake. It's really, really dry, and I'm gonna taste for it. So
They be eating it too.
yeah, I think it's really, really
That's
dry.
your content right here.
And the piece is really, really dry. So this whole thing, cake, is really, really dry. And then
Is it dry or moist?
It's really, really dry, and this half is dry, and the rest of it is moist.
Okay.
Like over here.
At the Comfortable Kitchen at Great Wolf Lodge, they had a breakfast buffet that was about $25 per adult, which is not a bad price. You get a great selection of food choices. For kids 3 and under, it was free, and for kids 3 to 9, it was, I believe it was about $13 or $14. Great price. The kids really enjoyed it. Keep watching and you see their food review of what they enjoyed. Also, they have a fresh omelet station and oatmeal bar that you can get fresh fruits and vegetables from. So keep watching if you want to see what they thought about their food. Thank you.
1 second, sweetie. I will.
So I just got the oatmeal from Great Wolf Lodge. Oh, you can actually get your own breakfast, like an omelet, and I'm gonna taste it. The raisin is very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good.
What about your other food on your plate?
Yogurt, I haven't tasted that yet.
Look at the camera.
But I will give you a review about this yogurt when I finish my yogurt. Right on here.
So at the Barnwood restaurant, it is a sit-down restaurant with your traditional types of food. I'll be giving you an overview of what we decided to pick up from this restaurant and tell you that it was really worth it. This chicken, fresh vegetables, and mashed potatoes were amazing. Juicy, flavorful, and not full of sodium. This is a taco salad. It was great. It was fresh. It had avocado and all the fixings. Really worth it if you're looking for something healthy and fresh.
Okay, Devin. So
And we
you
also
have a
got barbecue wings. They were juicy, they was tender, and they was flavorful. For the price of this food, I would say it was a A plus. Food overall in this restaurant and Great Wolf Lodge was amazing. Thank you for watching.
I went to Great Wolf Lodge for my birthday. So we're leaving today. And I had fun bowling. I had fun in putt-putt. And I had fun playing games at the arcade. And I had fun when I got to water park. Since it was my birthday, me and Mommy went to try out putt-putt when we just got here. White flower chair.
All right, so this was actually a surprise trip for Devin. He did not know where we were going. He just knew that we were going on a road trip, and we actually heard him one day, as excited as he was, watching one of the Great Wolf Lodge's commercials during his shows, and he said, "Mommy, I want to go there." So he paused the TV and he pulled us both in this where he was watching TV, and he said, "Look, I want to go there." So we booked, we added the birthday package, and the service here has been really great. The food has been good. We ate at the restaurant, Bournewood. We also had breakfast at the breakfast buffet. We hear that Dunkin' Donuts is very popular as well. The service has been great. Everyone's been really nice, and the games are pretty affordable. I'd say if you don't have a pass, the games are about $7 a child. Between putt-putt, the arcade, you'll probably spend a lot more in the arcade, and bowling as well. So there are a few games we want to play when we come back another time when Devin's bigger. So we're really excited, and hopefully...
I'm really excited to play this game as well on top of putt-putt. Go ahead.
Okay. And the next time we're going to play a game in which he uses the bungee cord to go on different obstacles. He has to be a little bit taller. So next time we come, if he's taller and he can actually go through that obstacle course, I'll go through it with him in rock climbing. So if you're looking for a really great family, fun, friendly, exciting time, just spend indoors for 2 days, this is the place for you. Like, follow, and share.